to walk all the way to the city. Hectic Pretoria. So we are starting our video from downtown, and this is Pretoria. That's Gauteng province. I'm hungry. I think I should do with a banana. So we will actually walk all the way from here right to the city center, and let's observe everything, guys. It is from the people who are selling. It is from the people who are just walking by. It is from the people who are just coming from work. You can see it's actually different activities here. And the Pedro's shop right this side. The Roman pizza over to my left. Just trying to show you everything about the downtown part of Pretoria. It's around 4, guys. 4 in the evening. And I think, I like to think many are knocking off from work and it's time to be going home. It's hectic as always. That's Pretoria for you guys. Now we are going to walk these hectic pavements. going to walk all the way to the city center. Looks like people, they are going downwards. And these are the designated areas downtown where people are allowed to be selling. What a good thing. Let's just do a jaywalking here. Pretoria is lit, guys. Are the robots working? Yes, they are working. Let's cross. Chief. Here we go, the downtown. Hectic Pretoria. It's vegetables, bananas, fruits everywhere. How do I say one, Bavo? No, one. Just looking for one banana. Nice one here, £2. What? Keep going. One banana. £3. I'm fair one. Yeah, one fair. Yeah, $10. Yeah, boss. Thank you, boss. Nice banana here. The downtown, guys, it's looking lit today. Hectic, busy as always when it's around this time. So, some mealies here.
10. Bala telepon.
Cause can I come in?
My friend, come back. I'm in a yet. I'm not going to go to Lavamba. If I ever take it, the remedy touch on it. Look at my friend.
Some millies every corner. That's what Pretoria is known for, guys. Some millies. But you know, when a city has many people, this kind of happen. Millies. That's the street food here. It's getting windy. Let's just do a little bit of a jaywalking. Let me just show you this side. How's Pretoria looking today? We are right in the city center. From here, guys, this is how it is looking like. I've got my banana peel here. I need to dispose it. If I find a dustbin, we are looking for one now. Wind is about to be raining.
Yeah, 10 more.
I found just a plastic there. Crossing Lillian Goy, guys. I don't know which side you want me to take. Which side do you want me to take, you guys? Let's see. Almost. Thank you. This is where you find some banks Capitec, the semi-levy. What an interesting walk, guys. It's about to be raining right now. And I love it when it's raining. It's gonna be a rainy day in Pretoria. Today, this is 2026, end of January. Let's just check this side. right, doing a little bit of some jaywalking here. I know it's crazy, but I've got to show you the streets, the pavements everywhere. And the pavements are not looking that bad. Not bad at all. Pretoria has always been a clean city as far as I'm concerned. Even though there are so many people, especially around this time. And usually hawkers are under the designated areas. They actually are allowed to be selling, like you see here, that's a fruit and veg market.